Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about what the heck happened to cryptocurrency. What the heck happened to Dogecoin? Everything is down like crazy. We're going to be demystifying what are some of the major catalysts that caused this big 8% drop in Bitcoin, and this had a absolutely cascading event that affected all the cryptocurrency. We can see Doge has also been decimated out there, and we have returned back to June lows. Wow. There's been a ton of liquidations out there, unprecedented. Almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin has been liquidated from leverage traders. It is the highest amount of liquidations that we have seen in a very long time. It is absolutely astonishing. We're seeing a lot of paper hands got wrecked. A lot of paper hands did sell their sats out there, and we are seeing that the leverage apes they got decimated. I'm sure that the exchanges are happy like crazy, because the exchanges are the only ones that made some money out there, guys. So remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I gotta say that. If not, I'm gonna be in trouble. So remember to go down and smash the likes, lick the likes, and show some love out there for the OG. So let's get into it without further delay. And if you guys saw the thumbnail, it was pretty gruesome, pretty nasty out there in terms of what has been going on. So let's talk about, first we're gonna look at the technicals, look at some of the patterns and formations out there, and then we're gonna talk about the breaking news, the things that caused this, update. We're seeing that the broader markets also dumped out there as well. So let's get into it without further delay out there, guys. And remember, life goes on. We have seen this before, guys. So it's not like the end of the world out there, guys. So just relax already. So guys, let's take a look what's going on right here. I'm getting to the big screen over here. Hopefully you can see my face. So you can see here that Bitcoin had a huge dump, and we went as low as almost 25,700. So we had a huge dumpage out there. So that was nasty. That was gnarly. And it wasn't only Bitcoin. We also saw Ethereum. Ethereum took a huge hit as well. It's just updating as well. Ethereum went down as low as almost 1,500 and change. That dropped like 6%. Also, we saw, let me just get into this, we also saw that Dogecoin as well took a major hit. You can see that every cryptocurrency basically had a very similar pattern. Everybody had the same kind of nasty, gnarly pattern out there. So from that perspective, it's not looking good. But I'm going to tell you why that happened in a second, guys. So bear with me. You can see that the Bitcoin right now is trading at 26,752, and that is down to the same area as around about June 20th. Okay, so we've come down quite considerably out there. We have broken down below key support level. The next key support level for Bitcoin is 26,000. Ethereum has also gone down. Right now it's down about 5.8% at 1691, just shy of 1700. BNB is down. XRP is getting slaughtered as well. It's down 12.88%, 12.8%. We're seeing ADA is down as well. Interesting to note that Dogecoin has slipped down. It's now back in the 10th spot. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Doge has dropped from the 8th spot to the 9th spot, giving up a lot of market cap. It's down 0.61255. And I did tell each and every one of you yesterday that our key support level, if Doge breaks down, is 6 cents. So we did hit exactly 6 cents, did bounce from there. I did tell you in my previous video, danger zone. So everything is looking like everything is looking not good, guys. It's looking like poo-poo shmata out there, and it is gnarly. It is absolutely nasty out there, guys. So let's talk about what's causing this, guys. What is causing this? So basically, as I said, we did see that crypto traders, there was $1 billion worth of liquidation. So a lot of traders got wrecked, and a lot of that had to do with that Bitcoin originally. It did go as low as the Bitcoin, the large regional cryptocurrency, tumbled 7% to 26.9 yesterday, after earlier the day dropping close to $25,000. It's lower since June, as I said. And we saw, what was the cause of this? Well, there was two things that caused it. One was this. According to the Wall Street Journal, Elon Musk, SpaceX sold $373 million worth of Bitcoin. That's been reported, but it hasn't been confirmed. Okay, guys, so it hasn't been confirmed. So according to August 17th report, Wall Street Journal, SpaceX recorded $373 million worth of Bitcoin holdings on its balance sheet was sold. Okay, that's what they said. SpaceX CEO Musk publicly announced in 2020 that the firm had acquired a certain amount of Bitcoin. So it looks like rumors are that Elon Musk sold a ton of Bitcoin. But really, in my opinion, what really has caused this whole debacle out there? It's not the Elon Musk thing, because that's still unconfirmed. That's still not confirmed. It's still a rumor. Okay, so I'm just putting my camera down on my desk so you guys can see me. Out there. So what has really caused all of this thing to happen? Let me adjust my camera out there. Remember, this is real time stuff, guys. So this is the OG out there. So we got all these liquidations. So first of all, what really triggered it was in China, Evergrande, a huge real estate company in China, one of the biggest companies in China, has billions and billions of dollars under asset management. Now remember, about a year and a half ago ish, remember we had this whole Evergrande scare that they were going to default on their loans. Remember what happened when that happened? Bitcoin again tumbled, right? A lot of noise. We recovered, fine. So Evergrande officially filed for Chapter freaking 11 in New York. So that is one of the main catalysts that it dumped the Dow Jones, dumped most of the technicals, dumped Nasdaq out there. It had a broader market dump. Then that sentiment was pushed over to crypto, and somehow, as we have this Evergrande news evolving, Wall Street Journal, pushed out this FUD piece that Tesla has sold $373 million worth of Bitcoin. $373 million worth of Bitcoin is actually nothing, okay? But that with Evergrande, that with Elon Musk, timing is Wall Street Journal, timing. I believe that they were paid to release that in conjunction with the Evergrande news. Now, they weren't paid to release the Evergrande news, the China Evergrande news, but they added a little carrot on top of that to send the crypto markets down. That way the market makers could take that $1 billion. Imagine, the exchanges just made about $1 billion, okay? $1 billion because they liquidated all of the leverage traders. So this is the reason why crypto is down 8 to 9%, depending on the project. So that is what's going on. That is what is freaking happening out there. Should you be worried? Should you be concerned? I'm not concerned. I'm not worried in the slightest, because we've seen this time and time again, and crypto will bounce back. So I see in front of me an opportunity. So guys, if you're still alive, pound that chest. Ooh, are you alive? Ooh, woo. Guys, what you need to do, this ain't financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. I am going to pick up some more Bitcoin. I can buy Bitcoin cheap right now. OMG. I remember the bull run's coming. The bull run is absolutely coming. So do not panic out there. Do not be a negative Nancy out there. This is just crypto. It's crypto. The Evergrande thing, they go bankrupt. Who cares? Sure. Chinese economy is in deflationary mode. Nobody's spending nothing over there. It's crazy. But let them be. I mean, they deserve it. They're getting their up and comings now after they basically sent the crazy gnarly virus around the world that put us all in lockdown for 2 years. Let them be. They deserve it. But overall, I wouldn't worry about it. So what should you do? One, dollar cost average. Buy the dips, and this is a good dip, guys. A good dip. You can buy all projects cheap right now. So I'm going to be once I get to the office. I'm gonna be picking up some Bitcoin, picking up some Ethereum. Gonna be slicing a big pie of Dogecoin as well. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So guys, do not panic. I know that you're looking at the charts and stuff, and it looks nasty, it looks gnarly. I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's not a big deal. This will blow over in about a week or 2 weeks. Bitcoin support level 26,000. Our next support level is around about 24,000. It goes down, so what? It will go up, absolutely. I think Dogecoin should hold the 6 cent level, but that's going to depend. That's going to depend entirely on where and what happens to Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that. I wouldn't worry about it. We still got ETFs. September-wise, predictions for September, don't expect too much. September is kind of not a Debbie Downer, but it's kind of like El Blanco. August was setting up to be looking pretty good, but we had this whole dumpski out there. I wouldn't worry about it. I'm not worried about it. I'm not phased. I'm not a moon boy, but I'm not worried because I've seen this time and time again. And this is just part and parcel of crypto. If you can't stand the volatility, don't be in crypto. Go watch paint dry or something like that. So guys, be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive. I'm off to the grind. Hence, I'm looking more dapper than I was yesterday. Guys, I'll see you next one. Be blessed, be well. Don't panic. Do not panic. Do not panic. Buy the dips if you can. Not financial advice. That's all I'm going to be doing. Peace out.